What's up? What crypto muscle coming to you another YouTube video. Here we are, internationally renowned, worldwide syndicated sports at Crypto Muscle on the Crypto Muscle Network. I am coming to you in another YouTube video. Let's take a look over here. Alright, this one is Trade Tribe. Alright, I call this the legacy platform in this space. As you recall, over a month ago now, believe it or not, it's been 33 days. Over a month ago, I went into this program, and right from the get-go, this program, you could tell it's built and set up to be a legacy. Alright, because of the setup and what they're trying to achieve. Alright, plus you have an actual real trader in-house, which is Jake the trader. Alright, and some of you have known Jake the trader in several programs, but this time around the only thing different is this is his program. Alright, he's not working for some other program doing tradings on their behalf. This is his program that he developed to do, and then he's doing trading on his own behalf, representing himself and no one else. Alright, he has a little mini team of people that he works with and trusts for this program to succeed. And so he's trying to make some change in this space and change for the better. And quite possibly Trade Tribe is something that can start that wave, a new trend. And I want to be proof of all that. Alright, that I could work the program and instill my more or less trust with Jake and the platform in order to succeed and for them to come through. So results are in. Alright, it's been over a month now. My 30 days was up on Sunday. Alright, yeah, perhaps I could have done videos on Sunday or Monday or even yesterday, but got a little busy, and I looked at my schedule today in terms of content and felt like, alright, well, today is actually going to be the best day to provide content for Trade Tribe and then proceed from there. So if you need a little review, which I've been doing every week, I've been doing just weekly reviews, and no sort of like withdrawals or anything like that. The only thing I really did outside of just the reviews of weekly, just informational review of just going over what it's about. The very first week I went in and made a deposit. I walked through on how to do it and then went from there. So that's the only difference between that and then everything else over the last 3 weeks after that initial deposit walkthrough. Alright, so like I said, results are in. And before we get to the results, let's take a look at what we got going on here, because I always like to explain how the program works and how do you utilize the program to the fullest if you choose to. It's up to you. You don't have to. Alright, one, I'll say it like this. One, you don't even have to do this program. Alright, if you want to watch and see, that's fine. You can do that. Two, alright, there's two ways to go about this. You have VIP locked or VIP unlocked. And with those options, with VIP locked and unlocked, unlocking it will give it its fullest potential. Alright, because it's going to boost your monthly rewards. Whereas locked, yeah, you're slightly limited. Alright, so you're locked. That's the original plan, alright? Which is you can earn the basic 10% monthly or 15% monthly, depending on the minimum. And by the way, the minimum is $500. Base minimum right there for the 10% monthly. $5,000 if you want to make 15% monthly, alright? So these are the base plans. Alright, basic plan and premium plan that you can earn being locked, alright? And now, Unlocked is if you feel like you want to realize to the fullest potential. It's a two-part way of doing it, right? First thing you got to do is you got to get a subscription here for $250. Yes, $250. You have this subscription, and you get an active copy trading ebook. You get your package unlocked, and then a 90-day lock period in terms of this subscription. All right. What happens when you go unlocked? Well, you earn 5% more added to the monthly, right? So that's the difference between locked and unlocked. You get 5% more per plan. Again, the minimums are the same. The duration, all that stuff is the same. Virtually, you're locked in forever, virtually. But the lock period is based on the subscription. So, you're going to boost, for $250 more, you're going to boost your rewards by 5% on the plan. Is it worth it? I thought so. I thought, for me, I wanted to go all in, and that's what I did. I went with the $5,000 deposit. I went with the $250 subscription. I wanted to make that 20% monthly. I wanted to make the biggest rate possible and then go from there to make that 20% monthly. So, again, the results are in. But before we get to the results, just kidding. I know I said it twice already, but it's just pretty funny. Alright, so you have the reward system, how you get your rewards boosted. They have the advantage they say they prescribe there, or subscribe to, is expert guidance, user-friendly interface, comprehensive learning, and the reward system. The affiliate program, as you can see, it goes from 8, 6, 3, 2, and 1. So, very deep, alright? 5 levels deep, decent earnings. Alright, they have the reward plan, and it's based on volume that comes in under you. So you start making volume under you. First time you hit $50,000 in volume under you, you get a $2,500 reward. It gets pretty lucrative in my opinion. Alright, $100,000 in volume, you get $5,000. Alright, $200,000 in volume, you get $10,000. $25,000, $50,000. So you can earn up to $50,000 max on the last, if you level up to level 6. And looking at the numbers here, $387,000 in deposit, $6,700 withdrawn, not including me yet, because I want to do a withdrawal. And 201 users so far. So right now, this is a very small base. When you think about the grand scheme of things, crypto at large, 201 people is very small. But look at the big time deposit, because 201 people with $387,000 in deposit. Let's give it an average here. Let's see what the average is if you break it down. 387,000, 254. The average is $1,900 per person. $1,900. So that's pretty good when you think about it, that people are putting in close to $2,000 per person on average. This is just an average into this thing. So people are definitely putting in the money. All right, people are believing the possibility of what this can do for you. And so we're going to see what it's truly all about and go from there. Yeah. Alright, so let's just go inside. I was trying to see if anything else needs to be answered. I think that covered everything. So for the month, alright, the results are in. First month in, let's see here, 1,827. Nice. Pretty nice return in a month. I like it. Alright, so what should I do? Riddle me this, riddle me that. What should I do? I'm going to withdraw it. Alright, so you can see here I have 5,001 active. In my very first video, I walked through on how to make that deposit. and how to be in. So just kind of debating on it, but yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. New deposits. Let's see what this looks like. Okay. All right. Let's go do a withdrawal. There we go. Yeah, why not? I want to do a withdrawal. I think there's a way to compound the earnings as well. For those of you that like to compound, I think that is an option that you can do as well. But I'm not really a fan. I don't know. Maybe if the platform sticks around for the long haul, then that's a possibility. Maybe alternate, like do a compounding month, next month cash out, that sort of thing. But for something like this, it's not bad. It's like a fifth of what I usually earn. Alright, so it's not bad. Let's see here. To FA, gotta put it in. And there we go. Alright. It's a manual withdrawal, guys. I know what you're gonna think, because you guys are so programmed to see that line in crypto, and it's not. Alright. So I did that, and that's what I wanted to show you guys, that first month results are in, and that's not bad. I think it's a pretty good deal here. There's still got time to try to just kind of earn my way through, and we'll see what this coming month will be bringing in store, which would be for August, mainly August. Alright, so with that, I just wanted to show you guys results after the first 30 days. And now, currently, my current deposit, alright, is still there, obviously. See, you can see it's been working 32 days. My current deposit. Now, for example, I could change that and compound my earning, right? Or I could just let it be. Or I could go perpetual and deposit into the $500 plan, right? I could do that too. So there's ways to go about it, right? My upline, I think, was talking about compounding, right? So there's a compounding percentage you can mess around with there to make that adjustment. It's up to you to decide what you want to do, and we'll go from there. Other than that, I just want to say thank you. And this thing, huge potential, right? Huge potential. So to get started, it's either you put in TRT20 or BEP20 on Tether, put in the amount you want to put in. I put in $1,000, and after you decide what you put in, make that deposit. Alright, and then after that, once it shows up on the dashboard, alright, on the dash balance, then you go to new deposit. So pick your plan, right? Are you going to do the basic premium, or are you going to pay the subscription to get to the boost of those packages? So it's up to you to decide on any of that stuff. I went all in on this one, and you saw the first month results. So can't wait to see what's in store next. All right, as we still continue on the progress here. So thank you. Like I said, comment down below. Links are in the description for everything. Subscribe to everything I got, that we can see everything we got going on. And all I gotta say is, damn, this Trade Tribe's good. It's going to be a nice legacy platform. Alright, so other than that, comment down below, subscribe to everything I got. Got my Telegram group, got my link tree, and I also have a third channel, the Common Sense Perspective. And I'll see you next one.